guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel for what is going to be the review of this product right here. Now this is by the brand Supergoop, and this is their Invincible setting powder SPF 45. Now this is a brand new product to Sephora, I think just to the market in general, by Supergoop, and you can see this in the what's new section of Sephora. Now I was very intrigued by this because this is a mineral powder sunscreen, and this is the first time I'm buying something like this. Usually it's like a liquid formula. This is the first time I'm buying a powder sunscreen, and it does say setting powder, and we'll get to that with respect to the pricing of this product. Now this is cruelty free, and it says this is non-irritating and allergy free. Now this is a mineral sunscreen, as this says, and it says that this is sweat resistant. Now at the back of the box, the description says this is a 100% mineral sweat resistant formula, perfect for reapplying broad spectrum UV protection. It says that this is a translucent powder, leaves a fresh natural look on all skin tones, and it also sets your makeup and reduces shine all in one swoop. Yeah, and the first ingredient, there is a lot of silica in this product, as usually setting powders have, I think. The first ingredient is silica, so if you are allergic to silica, you probably should stay away from it. Yeah, and did I say the active ingredient here is titanium dioxide 15.7% and zinc oxide 20%. And yeah, let's look at the actual packaging. Wait, before that, let's look at the pricing. Now I paid $30 for this, and the amount of product that you get is 0.09 ounces. That's 2.5 grams. That the first time I saw the amount of product that's in the packaging, I was really taken aback. I was actually shocked by how tiny the amount of product that you get here is. Now let's look at the packaging. Let me just show for a sample. Now this doesn't come with as one product. There's two components to it. This is the actual product. It's like actually white, completely white, and this comes with a cap, secure and everything, and this comes separately. So I had to open the cap and I have to twist it. Oops, there was a little spillage, that's okay. And I had to twist it until it is secure down, and then it does come with like a brush, and yeah. Now the name of the product says it's setting powder. So when I saw the amount of product that we get here, I was really taken aback, because usually setting powders is usually range between, say, 0.0 ounce. Wait, I did look up and did a little bit of research on it. Now usually the Laura Mercier setting powder, the full size, it's 1 ounce, and and you spend $38 for that if you were to purchase it. And another example, Kat Von D's setting powder again is 0.067 ounce, so that is $30. So we can assume that setting powders, makeup setting powders, usually range between, say, 0.6 ounce and 1 ounce, right? But if you look at it, this is a 0.09 ounce, which is like a 1/10 of like what usually makeup setting powders offer, which was and those like $38, and this is $30 for a 1/10 of the amount of product that you get in makeup setting powders. But then I thought to myself, you know, it's although it says setting powders, probably it falls under a different category, you know, like just a powder based mineral sunscreen. It's just a powder based mineral sunscreen which also sets your makeup and like reduces shine and creates a matte finish. Maybe that's that. So I did look up like similar products which are just powder sunscreens, which does come with like a brush, and then you can twist it open and you can just touch up your sunscreen. So those products, I saw two products similar to the Supergoop one. First is the Peter Thomas Roth, and that is 0.11 ounce, very similar to the one Supergoop offers. The Supergoop is 0.09 ounce. If you round it, it's 0.1 ounce. So the Peter Thomas Roth also offers 0.11 ounce of product, and that retails for $30. And then there's a Color Science product, which is 0.21 ounce, and that is $64, which is double. It offers double the amount of product which Supergoop offers, and the rate is a little bit more, you know. It's double and a little bit more than that. So I think pricing wise, you should compare this with powder mineral sunscreen products, and not the actual makeup setting powders like Laura Mercier and Kat Von D's Lock-It setting powders. So yeah, if you compare this with like general makeup setting powders, the amount of product that you get here would be like meager, very less. So you might think that this is a very damn expensive product, but this falls under the category of, I think, powder sunscreen, which also like doubles with you know, which is also multi-purpose, with which it sets your makeup and also mattifies. Now about the claim that it like minimizes pores and it diminishes the appearance of fine lines, and then it creates a soft focus and matte finish, all of it really does. That when I tried it out, it completely mattified my face, and also, I mean, I don't have like very large pores, but I do have pores just like everyone else. But so the pores have, I think they have significantly reduced, I feel. So yeah, it does the job of mattifying and reducing the appearance of fine lines, and then also significantly reduces the size of your pores and make it look kind of airbrush, I feel. Okay, let's look at the actual packaging. Now there's like kind of settings here. There's a close setting, and then there's a tilt and shake setting, and then there's a blur and set setting. So first what you do is, as I said, this actual powder comes separately, so you will have to twist it up and securely. And then here you have a cap where you open it. I wanted to tell that this is a significantly heavy product. This is pretty heavy, to the point that if you put this in your bag, in your small handbag, or like you know, like if you have like a small clutch or something, and if you put it in, the weight of your bag will significantly increase. So I think this is a pretty heavy product, if you ask me. So yeah, so first you need to there's a small dot here, so hope you can see there's a small dot. So you need to like move this dot to I think tilt and shake first, and then it comes out, the brush comes out, and then you will have to like tilt and shake first like this, so that the product comes out. Do you see the white product? The product comes out, and then you will have to move this this small dot to blur and set, back to blur and set, and then you apply it on your face. And your face, I mean, it doesn't look like there's a lot of product coming out, but it definitely mattifies the face. I was very oily when I tried this out, and it completely took away I mean, it was the best time to actually try this product out. Coincidentally, I was very oily at that point of time, and it completely took away the oiliness of my face and just mattified it completely. I think it did that job very well. Now another main question, I think, is, since this is like completely white, it does come with an expiration date in this small bottle. It says expiration is May 2018. So yeah, it is completely white. So let me just maybe just takes a little bit out. Let's see. Yeah. So is completely, it is a white powder, and yeah, you can see that there's a little bit of white kind of a tint to my skin, but when you actually like buff it into your skin, I don't see any white cast on my face at all. Actually, I didn't apply it very lightly. I in fact went in very liberally and applied it maybe like I did like 3 layers of this product complete on my face, and still I didn't see any like white cast or any strange appearance, a layer of white coat or anything on my skin. It just looked normal, just like I had just used just a matte powder and set my face. So yeah, all in all, I think this is a really good product, guys. It does seem like this is, well, not it does seem, it is an expensive product because you just get 0.09 ounce, and that's just 2.5 grams. That is $30. But if you look at the other products, the powder sunscreen with broad spectrum, if you look at those products at Sephora, they are very, the price is very comparable. They offer the same, almost the same amount of product for the very similar price range. So I think we can't call this an expensive product, because you know all the other products similar to these range in the same price range. So yeah, my final thoughts, I think this is a good product. The Sephora spring sale is going on right now, and if you have something like this in your in the back of your mind to purchase, you know, like a sunscreen, this is a very easy way to touch up, to just add sunscreen on the go. You know, you do instead of just like, I think that there's also the aerosol spray kind of thing, but I'm always for the powder version, because aerosol spray can actually get into your nostrils. So so I'm always for the powder version kind of things if you want to touch up. So yeah, I 100% recommend this product. And if you wanted to purchase something like this, go ahead. I think this is like the perfect time to buy it, because the Sephora sale is going on. And yeah, that's it, you guys. And Supergoop, this, let me check if this is exclusive to Sephora. It doesn't say exclusive, so I guess it should be available where usually Supergoop is available. It just says new on Sephora's website. So yeah, that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me, and please give a thumbs up this video if you liked watching it, and please subscribe. Bye.